Okay, kids, this is capital D and small d. The sound of letter D is D. D. Dog see the dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. Play the drum. D. D. Drum. Doll. Doll in the white dress. Dress. Ducks in the pond. D. D. Ducks. See the dustbin. Dustbin. Open the door. See the dice. Dice. Now we will see how to write letter D. We will write letter D in the body and the head part. So we will color body and head part of the seahorse, and D is the head letter. We will start the letter D from the body part and we will say around, up, down. Around, up, down. Yes, we will write it from the body part. Everybody, write with me. Around, up, down. Very nice. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.